Hi guys, we're gonna make a fire.
Una cosa para agarrarlo aquí, una agenda.
Papá, esto va así, ¿verdad?
Esta una cosa para hacer esto, ok. Todos son iguales, ok. Lo vamos a hacer con el 7-8. Ahora, una tabla la vamos a sacar aquí. Bien acá. Ok. Vamos a hacerlo.
Okay, ya le vamos. Let's go.
Inside the shed, I think, right?
En la casita.
Vamos a hacer una
Una
hornilla.
chiquita
With a
casita.
fire?
Como aquí. Una niña primero, ok.
Una hornilla para. Vamos a hacer una hornilla acá.
Where's my sticks?
Este lado solo nos voy a enchufar acá.
Can I plug it?
¿Verdad?
No, plug it.
A ver.
This is so loud! It looks like sand!
Yeah, it looks like sand. Literally feel the ground shaking. This is crazy.
I think.
Wow.
Look at that hole.
Okay, let's see what we can.
¿Tienes la cuchilla, Óscar?
Oh, I know.
La cuchilla.
No, the knife. Oh, you got it out? There we go again.
Where's the computer? I'm gonna go get it.
Wow.
You know, that thing.
Oh, I hear it.
It's really everywhere. It's on the ground. Getting on the camera. Look at my eyes.
Yeah, this is staying away.
Yes, you should.
Don't do this.
Don't try this at home without supervision. Yeah, do not try this at home unless you have hope.
With your parents.
Mm-hmm.
Dame un stick.
Okay.
Little one, little one, little one.
There's some over here. I had some.
Está acá parado.
So, let's see what. This is gonna look nice. Va a mirar bonito.
Yeah, esta es una estufa.
Look at all of that pure tree.
Otra vez, la voy a hacer la última
Otra
vez.
vez, okay.
Ahí tiene palo.
Eso. Buscate unas piedras ahora para una hornilla aquí.
No.
Estamos a 9 minutos.
Una hornilla. No, una hornilla, unas rock, piedras más grandecitas.
Oh, ya sabes. Right.
Allí miro chisperos.
Ah.
No, unos fósforos.
Pero está ahí, está
Voy a
nada.
buscarlo,
Ok.
tomamos aquí de adentro.
Ok, voy a venir, espera. Ya llegamos, abrimos la esfera y también le ponemos uno oil. We put like an oil change on the sticks.
No, es no, oye.
No, ¿es un oil change? ¿No es? ¿Qué es? ¿Es como un oil cosa?
Papá, ahí tiene palo.
No, unas rock, unas piedritas. Sí, yo las busco ya para pasar una hornilla acá.
Jimmy, what is that?
Piedras, rock,
Rocks?
rock, grandecitas. como por allá,
Pebbles?
sí.
for pebbles, basically.
Oh, you need a big one.
Yo voy por ellas, no te preocupes.
Estamos 10 minutos.
Mira, esa como es así, sí.
It's a big rock. And now we're going ahead, put some
Can we cook
fire.
something?
Do not
Sí, mira.
try this at home.
Aquí está saliendo la
The smoke.
smoke ahí.
Entonces esto para porque se puede ir la fuego.
Get some water.
Do this without supervision. No, do this with supervision and do not try to
Ooh.
do home. Whoa. Oh man, there's smoke.
Echémosle unos palitos hoy.
Yeah.
Ah, no,
We need to break them.
If you know what this is, it's basically a fireplace, right?
Fireplace, yes.
Yeah, if your parents, you would cook or
Ooh.
put them some
Do this. You gotta do that. But it's gonna create a fire.
When it has
No, todavía no, pero hay que hacerle smoke ahí.
like a lot.
You gotta keep going.
Don't get close to it. You know.
Went out.
Nikki,
It went
come.
out. Oh no.
Want a cup? Okay.
Smoke is coming. So it's smoky. It smells. It literally is so smoky. It really smells.
I think people are gonna think it's less like a cookout.
Yeah.
Yes, cook out right here. We're gonna
Yeah,
cook
cooking
over
it
here.
up.
We're gonna cook some meat, some steak or something.
Oh,
Holy moly!
well, be careful.
Got some steaks over here.
You do supervision. That's why.
Look at me! We're making pancakes. We're gonna make some pancakes.
Look at that.
What's this? Are you sleeping?
Oh, I saw fire.
Do you need that? Do you want to have? Do you want to have?
Yes.
I know. Is there such thing of 3-leaf clover?
Yeah.
I found one. I'm gonna find a boy. I think we don't have any. Do we have?
That was loud because I had to pop some candy canes. It's like in a small bag. Like these.
What do?
No, I gave you one already.
Anyone?
Please. You already got one. Okay, share both of these. This is mine because I haven't ate one. Share. But this is mine because I did not eat it yet.
If you get this part, I get the bottom. Ahí tiene la loca.
Tráeme cada cosa ya. Ah,
Okay, bueno. I'm gonna pause right now.
un poquito de esto.
Un poquito de esto, okay. It's in a fuel oil and mineral or something like that.
Now watch out, guys.
Watch out, now we gotta stay back. Because it may explode at any time. Whoa, I almost tripped.
Mira ese güey.
Se cayó. Guys, if you see fire on the ground, just do it. I'll cover it with grass, I think. Right? Or leaf. And then just stomp on it.
Put a little bit more of the oil. No. Okay, now stay back, Oscar.
A little more.
Oh.
¿Qué vamos a hacer con esto?
See, he threw it. I was not inside to see that.
¿Qué esto?
And this is what you call a fireplace. Stay away from it. Do not touch it. You need adult supervision.
You want a part 2? How about? Anything in my book? Okay.
Oh, there's 2 now.
But should we cook something next time? Next time? We're gonna cook some meat or like something.
Yeah, you could record that.
Vamos a cocinar.
We don't need it?
Ya, vamos a cocinar ahorita. Ahí creo que la vaya para cocinar ya.
There's a fire, another one.
Necesitamos unas piedras más.
Oh. Bye.
¿Esto se va a terminar o todavía le damos poquito?
La chimenea que tengo.
Ustedes sean las chimeneas.
Y se quemó todo. Wow, it burns. Yo sé si tú haces esto, haces...
Por la
Mire.
brasa, todavía tiene.
Mire, yo sí esto. Y no sé cómo es.
Están norteando.
Ok, haces
A las
esto.
pestañas le va a dejar arder en las pestañas ahí.
Nah, ya me vas a comer mi tú sabes, el bracelet, cosa. All the way, look at him. All the way over there, still can't catch him well.
Okay, maybe that's it. It's a blue one. A blue one there. Ah, cool.
Oscar, aquí lo vas a llevar antes.
Eat the candy now. Hurry, come back. Tastes good. Well, I'm done. Look! Whoa.
I did find a big rock. Need this.
We're good.
Está bien.
Peace out.
We're gonna see you in the next clip.